Firstly, the scale of production plays a major role in determining the cost. Small-scale setups designed for local or personal use are typically more affordable, ranging from $5 to $20. These systems are ideal for small businesses or farms that process limited quantities of animal byproducts. On the other hand, large-scale industrial machines capable of handling high volumes can cost anywhere from $50 to over $200. Such systems often include advanced features like automated controls. Higher efficiency technology also influences the price. Modern animal oil processing equipment may incorporate eco-friendly technologies, such as waste heat recovery systems or improved filtration methods, which can increase the overall cost but offer long-term savings through reduced operational expenses. Additionally, another factor to consider is the reputation and the location of the manufacturer. Well-known brands with proven track records might charge a premium, but they usually provide reliable after-sales service and support. Importing equipment from overseas may involve additional costs, such as shipping, customs duties. Before purchasing, it's advisable to compare quotes from multiple suppliers, clearly outlining your requirements and expected output. This will help ensure you get the best value for your investment while meeting your business needs. Ultimately,